Okay, what is the sound quality? Audio input. Check, check, check. Desktop audio. Okay, we can turn that up, I guess. Check, check, check. Okay, I can turn it up for me there. Check, 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 check. 1275439. Okay. 3.14. 6.28. Copy. We're most definitely going to break this. So we're going to go up to 111. We're going up to 111. Attention shoppers. Alright, let's see what we got first. Let's just get a feel. Get a feel. Okay. Feel it out. We should work on those nebulas tonight too. They're good, but they need to be more nebular, more nebulous. Okay, so here is where we want. I almost did the Q jump like in No Man's Sky. That was awesome. That was awesome. Okay. So all we want to do is right when we're doing the show planet. What's going on here? Oh, that's kind of zooming along. That's interesting. So as you're going up, let's go down here and try that. Go down, 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 down. Over here. Whoops. Okay. So as you're going along, the moving forward speed is faster than the lerp speed can catch up. That's all right though. That's fine. We'll let that go. That'll be fine. Okay. So all we want to do, first of all, let's just see what happens when we go into the do show. Oh, here, give me the function junction. Okay, so do show planet. Okay, so here in the do show planet, welcome to the do show planet function, everybody. Here we initialize. Okay, default camera, vertical velocity. Update camera position, do lerp, okay, block render, space blocks camera chunks. So what if we put in the background stars in here? BKG1, what's the, where's do show, Space background stars render current frame. Okay. And then update data, move the background stars. Ah, okay. We gotta do that too. DXDY. I can remember that. Where's the do show? Where were we at? I'm so lost. So we want to show the background stars before we show, yeah. And then if update blocks, is that right? Okay, now that's not going to be right, but we'll see what happens. I need a planet. I'm lost in space. Here's the first planet of the solar system. Actually, it already looks good. It already looks good. Okay, so they don't move whatsoever. So this update data, does that not get called? I don't think the X and DY gets updated when we're in the thing. So we just need to do a different update data, and then and as long as the stars respond to the camera, it was even drawing the nebula, which looks kind of cool. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So what would be a good way? Basically what we need to do, and do we really need to, we're not calling the update function. Okay. Show background stars render, okay. See, that's cool. So the only way the stars would move is if your angle of view. See, because right here, if you change your angle of view above, so what is that? Pitch, yaw, roll. Let's go back and look. Anybody say hi? Sorry, I haven't heard anybody. I think the TTS is working, so. Coordinate systems camera. So roll and pitch. So yaw is that way. So yaw is moving along the X or the Y axis. Pitch is where you're looking up. And then roll is the Z axis, which okay, so we can just go by pitch and yaw. Let's ask ChatGPT. Well, why don't I just make the move in response to the pitch and yaw? So where's the, hold on. Where's the pitch and yaw defined? Isn't that in the mouse callback? Yaw plus equals x offset. Pitch plus equals y offset. Those are already global. Yaw and pitch. Ah, okay. So let's just go into, let's just try this. I don't even know if this will work, but where's update data here? Okay, let's go. Pitch and yaw, what are they again? Floats? They're both floats. And let's just call this planet. Okay. So instead of giving them a position delta that's based on the input, which is what this is from. What was it? Where's the dx and dy? Go. Process input, okay. So here's what they become as the player accelerates. Right. But yaw and pitch are literally angles, so if I'm showing it like that, and the player goes to look up, we're going to get the pitch. The pitch is going to go from like 0 degrees to 90 degrees, but it starts at like negative, what does it start at? Starts at 0. So it's going to go from 0 degrees up to, say, 90 degrees. Save, okay, save and compile. Infinite, what's up? How are you doing, man? How's the volume? Can you hear me all right? I know. Okay, so there's the stars. So it's going to go from 0, and as I look up, okay, so the pitch, so what I would expect the stars to do is the stars would move this way. I added a cool jetpack. Check it out. You normally stream at night for me. Check it out, bro. I got a jetpack going. Okay, so how you been? How you been doing? Okay, so as the pitch goes like this, it does. How dare you? No. So how does, oh yeah, and I added infinite terrain generation too, which I had a little trouble with because of the way I set it up initially, but cool. So I need to work on how much I think I'm going to go more than 300 by 300. Because not enough of it renders. Okay, settle down there. There we go. It's been so long, you normally stream at night for me. This looks like a game now. I've been improving Rust. Oh. Dude, my sleeping schedule has been all over the place. I cannot normalize it. It's this coffee and it's just started raining outside, so I can't go for my walks like regular as I used to, but I got a raincoat and everything, and I don't know, I'll figure it out, but I gotta start work too. Let's see, I don't have orientation tomorrow, but probably in another week. So I'll probably have orientation on the 8th, and then I'll go, and I don't know what's going to happen after that, but I'm going to be ready to work on the 8th. That's all I know. That's all I know, bro. So I got another week and some to work on this, where I can just continue to focus, but update data planet. So let's just move in relation to, like, the pitch is, now what did I say? So the pitch is going to move. Let's just see what we can do. So instead of dx and dy accelerating, this is going to be more like a steady movement. This is going to be like instant movement based on the distance, the pitch. So I don't even know. Let's just move everything. Let's move everything. Background stars. So X, actually probably the Y. So the whole movement is going to be between 0, let's just say between 0 and what? 180? And then we move back. But what would that even do? I don't even know what that's going to do. Let's just say as you look at, let's just move it by 0.1 over the entire length of pitch and yaw, pitch, going from 0 to 180. So position, shoot. So do we have to have an initial position, and then we're going to, because we're just going to totally F up these stars if I do this. Position Y. Because how can I do that without saving an initial position? Let's just save the initial position. We just got to save it, and it got to do. Hold on. Background stars. Let's just do this. EKG star. Stars initial. Computer, stop with the squigglies. Okay. So in init data now, we'll just go down to that. Hold on. Hold the phone. Init data. Okay. So after all this, let's just go space, BKG, stars. Whoops, what? Now I even forgot what I just called it. Stars initial, excuse me, stars initial. So now we can just make the new position the initial position. Wait, what was it? Stars initial? Okay. Sub I dot position dot Y. So we want it to be dot y plus, so then it doesn't even matter what we do. Let's just go, because pitch is going to go from what, 0 to, what is it? Those are in actual angles? Oh, computer, what am I clicking on? Clicking. Dude, I had such a headache earlier. It was horrible. I still have kind of a little headache. It's insane. It's just it was just a searing headache right behind my left eye. Just insane, dude. Slept for 2 hours and woke up because I took ibuprofen, took Benadryl. Still got a headache, kinda. Yeah, so these are all, so do I have radians, conversion and radians and all that? What in the heck? Yeah, I gotta revamp that eventually. Okay. So that's fine. So as it goes, so let's just take in pitch and then divide it by 180. Now that's gonna go from 0 to 1. So we want the Y position to move 0.5 times that. Update data plan. Okay, so let's just try that. And then we'll update the stars right here. We'll just update the data and then we'll see. Update data planet. So now when we go back to do show planet, we want to call update camera position, render. Okay, so right here. So instead of what I tried earlier, we want to do update data. I'm going to send in pitch and yaw. We're only using pitch so far. We're just going to see what that does to the Y. If this look, it should look somewhat realistic. It might look really weird. I don't even know. Okay, play. Where's the planet? Planet. Ah, here. Here we go. Okay, so they do move. Hey, wait, is that how I would expect them to move? I don't actually know. If I look up... No, I would want them to go down. Okay. I would want them to go down. That's hilarious. I have no idea how the stars move at night. No clue. So then if the maximum that they can move is 0.5 down, yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with an initialization too that also, well, let's see what this looks like for now. But if I'm gonna pull them down 0.5, then the maximum is 1, then we're gonna have a blank sky as I look up. Planet. Okay. I mean, that's better. It needs to be a lot more. And then when I look around and stuff, yeah. Okay. So let's do this. And then actually, okay, so that wrapping them around will fix it too. What is the dark rectangle at the bottom right? Read chat. What's the... At the bottom right of what? In-game on the screen? What do you mean? In the game? It's only mine? What? Oh, I added a bunch of stream things, like stickers. There's a bunch of stream things I added, like stickers, and what did I add? Stickers, sound alerts, there's a chat, yeah. Basically I watched a video of the most helpful things to add to your stream, and I added a bunch of them, and I think one of them is closed captioning for people who can't hear. So I thought that would be pretty cool. You can disable it, I'm sure. It's only an optional thing. Okay, and then as we move left and right, okay, and so we want to wrap the screen, well, wrap as well, but we want that to move a lot more. So let's see what's going on there. So the stars, so let's go. And then let's move like this. If space background stars I dot position dot y. So shoot, what do we need to do? The initial position. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, we're just gonna have to initialize these better, I think. Still only one redeem? Yeah. For a little bit there, I actually was not sure I was going to continue on Twitch at all, but then I remembered, you know, I put Twitch chat integration into my game. Totally forgot that I did that. YouTube is still sounding a lot better for my stuff, but for now we're going to stay on Twitch. I'm not sure that's going to be true in the long run. Not a fan of Twitch, even though that's how I got my start streaming. It's not entirely true. I've streamed on YouTube before, but yeah. So if the initial position goes below 0, wait, see, with Y? Yeah. Man, I didn't want to drink any alcohol. I got this headache again. I'm thinking I just want to drink a bottle of wine. I wonder if it's because I took the Benadryl and it's actually allergies, because the headache went away for a short while and I slept. I just got through drinking for like 4 or 5 days in a row, and I gradually reduced the amount of alcohol I was drinking. Um, what's that? That was weird. Pre-roll ads are disabled for 63 minutes? What does that mean? I don't know. Hey, by the way, did you see an ad when you joined my stream? Does it pop up with a 30-second automatic ad or what? I don't even know. Oh, Clash of Code. I might do one later. Moving stars and OpenGL, so. Well, for now, let's see what this does. But I gotta wrap those, I think.
Infinite Coder 01 says, no, it's probably my country with no ads.
Well, I switched it so that it's a 3-minute ad at the end of every hour instead of a pre-roll at the beginning, because I don't think that is kind of relevant to my stream. Most of my streams lately are 30, 40 minutes, maybe an hour. Because I basically work on one idea and then I'm done. And then I just want it, basically I want it to be a YouTube video is all. Ooh, that looks really nice when I move this way. So that works. But going up and down, okay. So I see if I move this way, okay, so the most I go is up. So I just need to, okay, hold on. So the main thing I need to do, so X is fine. This is actually good. This is perfect. But does it ever go, wait, let me look again. But I'm thinking because of the thinking I'm doing. Okay, so it goes blank there, and then it's fine that way, but it does go blank. Okay, so we do need to wrap, and then and I think if we wrap, okay, let's try wrapping. Let's try wrapping. I'm not convinced that this wrap will work, though. It's probably my country with no ads. Nice. Have you watched Stream Scheme? But yeah, I changed my whole thing. I can't even remember where it's at to change the ads, but I found it somewhere. It's like buried in there somewhere. And I found it. Anyways. So, it's wrapping, huh? So wrap value? F mod absolute value. And what is it talking about? So star's initial position minus that. New X, and then set the position equal to that. Oh, okay. I'm down for that. So this is a function. Update data planet. Okay. Let's keep with GL. Okay, are we done with squigglies? I don't know. There's a squiggly there. Okay, then we got this. This is the new loop. Okay, I'm down for that. Let's give it a try. Okay, so then if this works, that'd be cool. Yeah, that looks really cool. As I look around, okay, so I can look 360 and there's stars and everything. As I look down, so down and up could use a little adjustment because yeah, so let's make down and up quicker. So let's go, in fact, probably, let's just go 5. I didn't think this would be this easy. It's almost. Alright, we're gonna call that close enough. It could use a little bit more adjustment, but it's fine. Basically, I just don't want the player to, like, the player tester was like, if I look up, it's not easy to tell how to look back down, so. Also, I think they could be bigger when we're on the planets. They could be bigger in general. Let's try, let's see, where's it in it? Position, color, size. Let's go minimum 10. Is that too big? I don't think so. Might make them move really fast. Really fast in space. See, they move a little too fast in space. But here, it's really cool. Yeah, I think that's a good size. So let's adjust the speed in space. Which is right here, size divided by. So I just added 8. What was the size before? 2 plus 3, so 5. So 2 to 5, and I added 8, so it's like 10 to 12. So 2.5. About. So let's try dividing by 12 for space. Gosh, you'd think I was stoned, I'm so thirsty. Oh, you know, I didn't even notice. Of course, that means it might actually be cool. I think they might be just a hair too big. Let's go down to 8. So 2, 10, the middle there is 6. Might be just a hair too big, move too fast. Yeah, that feels a little better. It looks more like space debris now, kind of, but it's all good. And then here, whoa, let's go up. Let's go up. Look at this. How tall is this? Holy smokes. We're going to the top of the world here. Look at this. Can't even see down there. Wow. Yeah, we need more render distance. Okay. But what better vantage point to look at all the stars? This is so wild. What's going on here? Boom. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying to decide if that's all I'm going to work on. I don't really know. That was really cool. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, I just took another Benadryl because this headache looks like it's coming back, but we'll see what happens. Infinite, are you still there? Infinite, where did you go? Where did I go? I went to get orange juice. Okay, so let's look at this nebula thing since I'm kind of... What? You're my orange juice. How come I didn't hear that on TTS? You're my orange juice. Why, thank you, Mangosteen. How you doing? What's happening? Mangstein. So the nebula here, in the background stars, that's going to be the shaders. We don't need those. We don't need that. So let's go look at the shader here. My main is getting huge again. Let's see. What's the shader called? 108? I forgot. Space. Okay, so the nebula draw. Now, as I remember it, yeah, the 45 here. So this is a parameter that controls how many points, and then, yeah. And then the other one is this Gaussian-like intensity. That's there, random position. What else? Pardon me. Edge fall off, smooth steps. So let's try modifying that with a value. Good, Jeff. That's very good. In float nebula, in unique ID. Let's look at the other. We got to sneak stuff in here. Space, background, stars, 108 VS. So point color size, A color is 2, nebula equals 1. Okay, so I'm already sneaking stuff in. So size is already there, so color is that. So let's try this. If A color is equal to 2, set that equal to 1. Otherwise, so the other option is for that to be equal to 1. So let's just go if A color is greater than 1. Then nebula, let's set it equal to 1. Let's do another. We have the unique ID. Let's go out, float. Let's just call it nebula points. So we're going to sneak that in. So when we do the stars here, and the nebula itself, see right here too? So let's try it and just see 45, okay? And the size, this 768? Oh, well, let's see how this looks. Let's see, make sure I didn't break anything. Oh wait, hold on, I didn't do it. Computer, stop, what? Okay. I didn't break it, I didn't apply it yet. Actually, I kind of did. So then we want this to be, oops. So out, float, nebula points. Let's go here. In, float, nebula points. Oops, did I hit the right key combo? Okay. Okay, so that still works, right? There's the nebula. Let's change it. I can tell that, this is an allergy headache. The Benadryl is literally working on the headache. I can feel it. It's like massaging the pain in my head and making it go away. It's so surreal. Ay. Okay, so let's go down to like 5. We're going way down to 5. Bum, 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 bum. So where's the nebula? I don't see it. It's gone. We made it disappear. It's so unhappy in my universe. It just disappeared. Oh, it's right here. And it's nebula. It's nebulizing. It's being nebular. Okay, so that's what 5 looks like. And then super small. Hello Nebula, how you doing? So that's cool. What we want to do is maybe I have no idea what we want to do really. And it dun, 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 dun. Nebulas? Is that the plural of nebulas? Of nebula? Nebulae? Nebula. So you want to do 10 of them and just give it a random, I don't know, wouldn't that be a little weird? Actually, let's try this. What are we on? 111, we're good. Okay, nebulas and nebulas. Let's make 10. I like making 10 of things. 10, why not? Okay, so here's kind of what we want to do. 100, okay, plus I. Position random, that's fine. Color, okay, color's a thing. Let's go like this. Let's go GLM Vec3 Nebula theme. So then when we set the color inside here, let's go like this and let's just go but we really don't want that to be, oh right, because that's a vector. So we want this to be kind of on the brighter side. So we don't want to dampen the color. Or maybe we could just make it brighter up here. Oh, do I have to? Can I do that? Okay, good. And then we want a random 5 to 45. 5 to 45. Does that count as a vector 4? We can do the vector 3. Okay. Okay, set up initial recording positions for stars. So now we go to 110. Hold on. There's much to do. You render 110. Oh, we also have to update all these. Okay, so just go like this. I know I could do this a lot easier, but whatever. Gee, that Benadryl seems to be working. It's crazy. So it must be the allergies. We just had massive rain for 3 days. So I don't know what's going on, but something is pollinating. Something is pollinating in the air. Update planet data. So now we're going to go up to 110. What's this? And then these are both going to be 110. So we should probably, yeah, hold on, there's another thing with the wrapping. So the wrap value, update data, down here, nebula movement. Oh, this is when they, okay, recycle. Oh, that's right, so when they recycle, this gets reset. Hold on. Position and then color. Oh, so maybe I should leave it the same. Let's leave color alone for now. When they recycle. Is that too much? They look kind of cool. Okay. For a first iteration of, you know, of my skybox or whatever. Not bad. Not bad. Could be better. I have a lot of other things I'd want to put in there. Fractal things. Electric things. Yes. Pretty good. Coding my game again, creating a logic path for players to spawn in the game. Nice. Do you have a link? You want to share your link, dude? Sorry, I haven't been paying attention to chat. I thought TTS was working. What's going on with my TTS? TTS. TTS? Okay, so I guess that's pretty good. How long have I been streaming? See, this is it. I cap out an hour. Isn't that crazy? Alright. Maybe I could do something else. Maybe I could do something else. I don't know. What could I do? For now, I guess that's I'm gonna look at my other list of things to do. I might come back on stream. Wait, it's a party of 2? Is that still gonna be? No, I don't want to. Let's go like this.